مشاهدي زوم أفريقيا، برحب بحضراتكم من مدينة ينجنبي، المدينة اللي بتستضيف المؤتمر التحضيري للعلماء قبل قمة المناخ 27 اللي هتعقد في القاهرة في نوفمبر. ومعايا دلوقتي أحد أهم العلماء اللي بقاله 30 سنة بيعمل أبحاث عن تغير المناخ. هو كونغولي الأصل وعايش في جنوب أفريقيا، مستر بروفيسور جون بيير مولومبا. How are you, sir?
I'm fine, thank you.
So if we start to talking about your profession.
Yes, I'm a professor from the School of Telecommunication and Teledetection, specialty in Kinshasa University of Pedagogy in Kinshasa.
Okay, great. When you talk about the climate change,
Yes.
it's a mega problem all over the world.
Yeah.
So what's your opinion and what do you do research to tell us your opinion about this climate change and how we can solve it?
Yes. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. You know, climate change is about the change of climate parameters over the years. So the world have noticed that the concentrations of some gases in the atmosphere has increased. So the increasing of those gases has made the earth to become a bit much warmer than before.
Yeah.
So that is why they talking about the climate change. So the climate change brings about so many changes in the world, in the biosphere. It means in vegetation and animals, water and so on.
Yeah.
So that is why that as a scientist we have together to share ideas on how to decrease the effect of climate change in the world. Yeah.
That's why you are here.
That's why we are here.
Okay.
And also being here is just to show the world the contribution of the Congo as a solution country in terms of sequestration of those greenhouse gases.
Tell us more about this. You tell us Congo, it's the solution.
Yes.
Yeah.
Congo
How?
is the solution because we hosting the second forest in the world.
Wow.
After Amazonia. Right. With this forest, we are able to capture more carbonic gas, right, that is hitting actually our planet. That's the reason why we would like the world to know that we have that potential of regulating temperature and regulating climate to those sequestration of those gases.
Okay.
Those greenhouse gases.
Okay.
To our vegetation.
Yeah.
And you can see the vegetation, how green it is. Yeah. So without the vegetation, there is no trapping of carbonic gas. But since we have a very big surface of forest, that's why we're saying that the world can help us actually to maintain this forest, to protect it, to conserve it, so that we can be able to fight against the increasing of temperature in the planet.
Okay, you told me by 2050, if
Yes.
there is no solution, the Earth
The world will disappear.
Yeah.
Why? Because we are actually fighting about the increase of 1.5 degrees Celsius.
yeah.
Okay. So we have to maintain that path. Because if we can go beyond, let's say 2050, if we reach 2.5 degrees, which means that some trees, some crops will collapse. There won't be any growth anymore because the vegetation won't be supporting that incoming and outgoing radiation from the sun.
Yeah.
All right. So, there will be a kind of disturbance in the world ecosystem. Yeah.
Okay, and also you told me a very interesting things about you can see the sky and read the weather.
Yes.
Yeah. How you do that?
That is meteorology. I'm a meteorologist. I did my undergraduate studies doing meteorology. So we do understand as a atmospheric physics. I do understand of all the phenomena that is happening in the sky, in the earth. So I can see from my eyes, for experience, 30 years experience, I can say tomorrow it's gonna rain, or maybe there is a big strong wind coming, or so many things are happening just by the eyes, but it's not in an accurate way. But at least we need to use satellites and ground-based instruments to predict the weather very well.
So today it's going to rain?
Yeah, probably. According to the meteor, I've seen that there might be some rain around 51%. Yeah, in the evening today. But it's very, it's not very accurate because we do have to check it with the ground-based instrument. The satellite itself, it can predict, but the accuracy is a little bit a challenge for us.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, great. Thank you so much, Professor Jean-Pierre.
You're welcome. You're welcome.